Today, we'll be going over how to install the North Hitch part number X7918S for your Toyota Tacoma. This front-mounted hitch increases your truck's capabilities by allowing you to attach anything from a snowplow to a bike rack. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is built from stainless steel and is powder-coated to get you through any adventure. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, locate and remove the wheel well air dam bolts. Then, locate the 6 front air dam bolts and remove, setting the air dam aside. Next, locate the front frame caps and remove the M12 bolts, setting the caps aside. Remove the 2 bolts and bracket from the passenger side. Insert a frame plate washer into each side and align with the hole in the bottom. Attach an internal tooth lock washer, a 1x2 plate washer, and bolt to the supplied bolt fisher. Feed the hardware one piece at a time into the shown hole. Use the fisher to pull the assembly through the hole. Repeat on the driver's side. Lift the hitch into position, using the bolt fishers to pull the bolts through the holes. Carefully remove the bolt fishers and secure the bolts with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Insert a bolt and lock washer through the bottom of the hitch and through the frame and frame plate washers. Secure with a lock washer and nut. Remove the passenger and driver frame plugs with a trim removal tool. Insert the coiled end of a bolt fisher into the hole shown and out the rectangular hole. Attach a bolt and plate washer to the fisher and pull back through the hole. Repeat for the other hole. Place a support bracket over the bolts and secure with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. Align the bolt holes on the frame support brackets with the bolts on the hitch. Insert a bolt and flat washer through each hole. Secure with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Finally, torque down all the hardware. Your Torklift North Hitch is now fully installed and ready for use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.